Hello everyone. How are you all, dear? Yes, all you know what we are going to do? How are Yes, you all, dear? I'm very much audible. Yes. I just wanted to check whether I'm audible and visible or not, and I have done it. I'm very much visible as well as audible. That's really, really nice of this. Yes, connectivity, isn't it, guys? Once again, a very, very warm welcome to your very, very own channel. Let's crack NEET UG in English. Guys, myself Sharada Alok, I've been teaching chemistry at Resonance from past 10 years. And today we are going to in fact practice a lot of questions on concentration cell. First of all, what we are going to learn what concentration cell is and how the EMF of the cell is calculated, and so many questions we are going to solve today. Do one thing before we start the class. Share the link of the video to all your friends. Yes, yes, share the link of the video to all your friends, guys, those who are what? Yes, in class 11, 12, or dropper preparing for NEET 2021, 2022, guys. How you can get connected to us? Let me tell you the answer to this. First of all, guys, go to Play Store, download the Unacademy learning app, then click on to NEET UG, and straight away go for the subscription. Let me tell you the benefit of taking plus subscription, guys. First of all, you'll be getting here daily live classes. Yes, guys, the top educators are going to take your daily live classes. You'll be taught by them. Not only that, you can chat with your educator, you can engage in discussion, you can ask your doubts and answer in the poll, all while the class is going on. Along with this, you'll be having live tests and quizzes, which is going to evaluate your preparation on a regular basis, guys. Along with that, you'll be getting a detailed analysis of your performance. Guys, you are going to get structured course, and all our courses are structured very much in line with your exam syllabus, which is definitely going to help you best prepare for it. So just by taking Yes, 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 guys. Just by taking one subscription, you get, yes, access to all our live and recorded courses, which you can watch from the comfort of any of your devices. Now, the another subscription is iconic subscription, which is definitely going to take your NEET UG preparation to the next level with personal coach. Yes, guys, the top educators across the nation are going to be your personal coach. You'll be getting one-on-one guidance from them. Guys, along with that, yes, a wonderful preparation strategy is going to be shared to you, which is definitely going to work. Yes, a lot and going to bring out the every best out of you in order to ensure your every success in the target you are looking for. Yes, NEET 2021 or 2022, we are together going to make it. Along with that, you'll be getting an in-depth test analysis with personalized feedback, which is definitely going to improve your time management and, yes, of course, exam approach. Along with all this, you'll be getting a proper study planner, guys, all precisely designed by the top educators. Guys, it is going to ace your preparation with a customized study plan, and along with this, you are going to have a bi-weekly review that is definitely going to highlight your progress. So all by having one iconic subscription, you will be getting live classes from top educator, mock test and quizzes, structured batch course, very much in line with the exam syllabus, guys. Let me tell you the difference between the two, guys. Whatever you are supposed to get under plus subscription, you'll be getting under iconic one as well. Along with this iconic features, whether you talk about personal coach, study planner, expert guidelines, or in-depth test analysis. How much you have to pay if you want to go for iconic subscription? Let me tell you. First of all, there are 6 months, 12 months, and 24-month subscription are available for iconic subscription. And for 6 months, you'll have to pay 38,000. For 12 months, you'll have to pay 65,000. For 24 months, that is for 2 years, you're supposed to pay 1 lakh. But if you apply this referral code of mine, that is SA10, guys, For 6 months, you will have to pay only 34,200. For 12 months, you'll have to pay only 58,500. And for 2 years, you'll have to pay only 90,000. If you apply my referral code, not only the discount prices you'll be getting, but also some additional help, which I will disclose once you take the subscription, taking my, yes, applying my referral code. This is all about the plus subscription, guys. Remember the 6 month, 12 months, and 24 months. Whether you go for plus subscription or the iconic one are also available at no cost EMI. Guys, for plus subscription, you can see the variety of subscription are there on the screen, right from 1 month to 2 years subscription are there on the screen. For 1 month, you'll have to pay 7,000. For 3 months, you'll have to pay 17,500. For 6 months, you'll have to pay 28,000. For 12 months, you'll have to pay 38,500. And for 2 years, you're supposed to pay 56,000. But again, if you apply my referral code, you'll have to pay only 6,300 for 1 month. 15,750 rupees for 3 months, 25,200 for 6 months, 34,650 for 12 months, which is going to cost you only 2,888 rupees per month, 50,400 for 2 years. If you apply my referral code SA10, guys. Yes, guys, let us study for which you all are waiting for. I'm repeating, let us study for which you all are waiting for. Yes, guys, today we are going to practice lot of concentration cell. I mean concentration cell and lot of questions over it. Yes. Get ready for that. Take a pause, share the link of the video to all your friends who are studying in class 11, 12, or dropper. Basically, all those who are studying in class 12 or dropper student, preparing for NEET 2021 and 2022. Also, you can share them. Okay. But one more thing, guys. Share the link to all of them who are in class 12 but not preparing for NEET 2021 but for preparing JEE mains or advanced. You can share the link to them as well. It is going to help them too. Or those who are preparing for KVPY or preparing only for board examination. You guys can share the link of the video to all of them because this is one of the important topic of electrochemistry concentration cell. Okay, guys. Are you ready? Yes, take a pause, like the video if you have not done so, share the video if you have not done so, and all those who are watching the channel Let's Crack NEET UG in English have not subscribed it, do so. Have not pressed the bell icon, do so. Okay, guys, now take a pen and copy in your hand, all your eyes on the screen. Ensure yourself that you are not going to get disturbed by anything around you. Only you, my voice, that is me, and the questions or the screen in front of you. Only this. Okay, no four things. None of the four things. Only you, me, and the question. I mean the screen, the topic. Okay, all done. Get ready for that. Guys, the concentration cell, what is a concentration cell, guys? Concentration cell is basically we can build a galvanic cell where both compartments contain the same component but at different concentration. For example, the anodic compartment you can see over here, the cathodic compartment you can see over here. All of them contain silver nitrate. I'm repeating, all of them. That is, both of them contains silver nitrate. Guys, silver nitrate. Okay. The electrode is of silver only, guys, but see the concentration of silver nitrate in both the solutions. One is 1 molar, the other one is 0.1 molar. Yes, this is the beauty of concentration cell, guys. Everything is same except the concentration of the cell, and if hydrogen, that pressure of the gas. Okay, guys, remember everything is going to remain same in concentration cell including the electrode. But yes, the salt solution will also be same, only the concentration of the salt solution is going to be different. For example, in this anodic compartment, just see the concentration is what? 0.1 molar silver nitrate, whereas in cathodic compartment it is 1 molar silver nitrate. This is the difference. Okay, or this is actually the difference from the another electrode, I mean another cell. Okay, concentration cell of an electrolytic cell is comprised of two half cell as others, guys, but here with the same electrode. But differing in concentration. A concentration cell acts to dilute. This is very, very important. Very, very important point, guys. A concentration cell acts to dilute the more concentrated solution. Okay. For example, in this case, guys, in this case, 1 molar silver nitrate is more dilute. I mean, more concentrated. Sorry. Okay. You must not be able to. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? This is what. Are you able to see the concentration cell? Are you able to see? I'm trying my every best. By mistake, I kept the slide over here. Anyway, you can see in cathodic compartment, it is 1 molar silver nitrate. In anodic compartment, it is only zero point 0.1 molar silver nitrate. Okay, guys, is that clear? Is that clear? Now, are you able to see the cell over here? Are you able to see the cell? Okay, that's great. So, guys, what is happening over here? A concentration cell acts to dilute the more concentrated solution and concentrate the more dilute solution, creating a voltage as the cell reaches to an equilibrium. I hope you guys are able to see the cell. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, again, I am repeating, a concentration cell acts to dilute the more concentrated solution. More concentration solution will be more, yes, more concentrated solution will be diluted. All clear? More concentrated solution will be diluted and less concentrated solution will be, yes, less concentrated solution will be concentrated. Is that clear? Is that clear? This will be concentrated. All done. All done. So this is all happens, or you can say this is how the ions flow. Ions flow, guys, and a concentration cell looks like constitutes of. Is that clear? Clear, guys. Let us make it even more clear. Guys, the cell representation of concentration cell, which we have seen just now, is drawn or written on the screen. Concentration cell, this is the cell representation. It is very, very clear from here. No doubt at anode, what is going to happen? Oxidation. So this is anodic representation, left side. Yes, anodic. This is the salt bridge, guys. Where Ag is solid is the electrode itself. Ag plus A1. A1 is the concentration of anodic compartment, concentration of silver nitrate solution of anodic compartment. A2 is the concentration of cathodic compartment of silver nitrate. And Ag solid, this one is acting as a cathode here. Done. So this is the cathodic compartment, guys. It is very, very clear. This is how we represent the concentration cell. I hope it is clear. Clear, guys. Let us see what is the reaction take place. What type of reaction do take place at anode or left hand side, or at cathode, that is on right hand side. Let us see, guys. Always remember one thing, guys. This A1 and A2. What is the relationship between A1 and A2? Guys, oxidation is taking place. That is, more and more Ag are going into Ag plus. More and more Ag is going into Ag plus. That is, anodic compartment is what? Diluted. Initially, it is diluted initially. Diluted will gradually get concentrated as more and more Ag dissolved into the aqueous solid. Be written as, let me change the color of the pen. ECIL will be written as, guys, am I visible to you all, guys? Am I visible to you all? Yes, I am visible. So, guys, E cell is equal to minus 0.059 upon N. This is the Nernst equation. Okay, guys, for concentration cell of the, yes, will be written as E cell is equal to minus 0.059 upon N. N is the number of electron. In case of Ag, it is 1. All done. Now log E1 upon A2. concentration, guys, where we have just now seen that A1 should be less than A2. A1 should be less than A2 in order for the cell to be spontaneous or the reaction to be spontaneous. A1 has to be less than A2. All clear, guys? All clear. Now, guys, remember that the temperature to be taken as 298 Kelvin. This will be the temperature, and A1 has to be less than A2 in order for the cell to be spontaneous. All clear, guys? All clear. Now, in case of hydrogen, yes, if likewise the EMF of the cell consisting of two hydrogen electrode, okay, the cell consisting of two hydrogen electrode, two hydrogen electrode, okay, guys, operating at different pressure, guys, remember, where the different pressure are P1 and P2 respectively, dipping into a solution of what? Yes, of course, an acid dipping into a solution of HCl. Okay, guys. In that case, the same equation will be given by this. E cell is equal to, be aware with the sign, guys. It is going to be E cell is equal to 0.059 upon 2 log. Yes, what? Log P1 upon P2. All clear, guys? It will be 0.059 upon 2 log P1 upon P2. Michael Jackson. Hello, beta. How are you, Michael Jackson? After a long time. After a long time, dear. How about your studies? माइकल बेटा, कैसी चल रही है आपकी पढ़ाई? फटाफट से बताएं. Yes, guys. Okay, is that clear, guys? So it will be 0.059 upon 2 log P1 upon P2. Always remember, guys, this E cell, in order for the reaction to be spontaneous, E cell has to be positive. E cell will be positive when, in this case, A1 is less than A2. In that case, if A1 is less than A2, then this value is going to come as negative. Now, negative and negative is going to become positive. E cell has to be positive only when A1 is less than A2. All clear, guys? All clear? And delta G, how it is related to E cell? Delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. All clear, beta? All clear? So if this is positive, together will be negative. If E naught cell will be positive, the delta G naught value has to be negative, and we know that for anything to be, for any reaction to be spontaneous, delta G has to be what? Has to be negative. All clear, guys? Delta G has to be negative. All done? Done, guys? Getting here? Getting here? Well done. In this case, guys, the positive sign is there. Therefore, P1 has to be what? P1 has to be more than P2. Remember, P1 has to be more than P2. And in that case only, E cell will be positive. And if E cell will be positive, delta G will be negative and the cell will be spontaneous. Remember, the type of questions which are generally asked are of basically four types. One is related to this formula where you'll be having different activities, that is different concentration. The other one will be related to hydrogen where it will be simply given the value. Third is you will be asked the value of E cell, or you will be asked whether the cell reaction is spontaneous or not. Four, you will be asked to calculate the value of E cell, and we are going to practice all of them one by one. Get ready now. And all those who have not liked the video so far, do so. If you have not shared the video so far, do so. Okay, guys. And all those who are watching the channel for the first time, let's crack NEET UG in English. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon too. Now, guys, now the question on the screen is there. Read the question loudly. Read the question loudly and try to get the things given over there from the question itself. Guys, the question is what? First of all, guys, always remember how to identify the concentration cell. It is very clear, zinc 2 Zn2 plus, that is oxidation of zinc with a concentration C1, activity C1 you can take. Then in the cathodic department compartment, it is being shown as Zn2 to zinc, means what? Same electrodes, same material electrodes, same metallic electrodes are present on both the sides. That means it is nothing but concentration cell. Pehla kaam ho gaya. The first work is all done, that we have to identify. Let me take a sip of water. By that time, all you guys just have a look at the screen. First work is to identify whether it is a concentration cell or not, because one, unless you will identify, because most of the time it may not be mentioned that it is a concentration cell, but you'll be given the cell reaction, and from there you will have to make out yourself whether it is a concentration cell or not. All done? Clear? Done. Now have a look at the screen, guys. So it is very clear from here that this is a concentration cell. All clear hai? Now for this cell, delta G is negative if, I'm repeating, when delta G will be negative. When delta G will be negative, or the question can be asked, in which condition the cell will be spontaneous. Okay guys, is that clear? The cell reaction will be spontaneous. This is how the question can be asked. All those who are watching, if you are watching, do reply in the chat box. And those, yes, all those, if you have not liked the video so far, do so. If you have not shared the video so far, do so. Have a look at the screen, guys. When which condition delta G should be negative? First of all, guys, let us look for the value of E cell. If E cell is positive, delta G will be negative. We have already discussed it, isn't it? Now let us see E cell, the formula related to activity A1 and A2 by this one. It is related to A1 and A2 by this relation. E cell is equal to minus 0.059 upon N in case of zinc has to be 2. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, log A1 upon A2. It is very simple, guys. If A1 is less than A2, if A1 is less than A2, this value, if denominator is bigger, the log of that number, whatever is the A1 upon A2, has to be negative. If it is negative, negative into negative will make the E cell positive. And as delta G is related to E naught cell by the formula minus NF E naught cell. So if E naught is positive, I'm repeating, E naught is positive, guys, E naught, delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. It is very clear from this formula, because A1 is less than A2. Therefore, this value is positive. Therefore, this value is positive. And if it is positive, what will be the value of delta G naught? Guys, positive and negative, product of positive and negative will be what? Altogether, it is going to be negative, means what? Delta G value is negative. Okay, that means it is spontaneous. All clear, guys? Very simple, very simple, guys. If A1 upon A2, or here A1 is replaced by C1, no matter, guys, it means C1 has to be less than C2. All clear? C1 has to be less than C2. Okay, guys. Okay. So, which is the correct option here? Which one is the correct option? C. C1 is less than C2. In this case, delta G will be negative. All clear? Getting here? Getting here, guys? Come on, do one thing. Do one thing. If you have not liked the video so far, do so. Do so. If you have not shared the video so far, do so. So this is one type of questions which are generally going to be asked, that you will have to compare, I mean, you have to find out the value of E cell. The second one is we will have to tell whether the delta G's value is negative or positive. If it is negative, it has to be spontaneous. Okay, guys, let us see the next type of question. Now, guys, the next type of question you can see from here. Again, I told you that in question it may not be necessary that you'll be mentioned concentration cell. Kahin to nahi likha concentration cell. How to make out whether the question is talking about a concentration cell? Yes, yes, yes. Come on, tell me. Yes, guys. By the representation, if we talk about hydrogen, the metallic electrode has to be platinum. Okay, guys, this is how the hydrogen electrode, I mean, hydrogen concentration cell is represented. Okay, guys, platinum, then H2 and H plus. Pressure of hydrogen, H plus of hydrogen. In this case, H plus and the pressure. Guys, remember, in some question, it may happen that pressure may be same. I'm repeating, pressure may be same, concentration is different. In that case, what formula you are going to apply? Very, very important thing I'm going to explain you guys. There are two possibility. If hydrogen concentration cell is there, there are two possibility. Possibility one is here. Possibility one is here, where you will be given the pressure. The pressure, if P1 and P2, if P1 and P2 are different, then apply this formula. Then apply this formula. And if guys, concentration, if P1 and P2 are same, if they are same, then apply the form, because in that case guys, A1 and A2 should be different. Okay, for hydrogen concentration cell, don't worry, we are going to practice that type of question as well. So the formula applied will be minus 0.59 upon 2 log, simple वही वाला formula, a1 upon a2. Okay guys, okay, done. Have a look at the screen now. So in this case, it is very, very clear that E1 and E2 are equal. So P1 and P2 are different. Therefore, this particular formula will be used. Ananya Datta is saying, okay, ma'am, I got it. Well done. Samajh mein aaya Ananya ko. That's really nice of you. And all those who are watching, if you have not liked the video, do like the video, dear. Come on, have a look. Ananya and all those who are watching, please solve the question. If you will solve the question, then only you are going to get complete help. Then only you are going to find this video very, very helpful for you. Okay, guys. So in this case, the second formula will be used. All clear, guys. Now what is written here? P1 and P2 are pressure. Cell reaction will be spontaneous if guys, in which condition the cell reaction is going to be spontaneous? I told you the value of E cell should be what? E cell should be positive, and that will be positive in the case only when log P1 upon P2 should be what? It should be what? It should be positive, and this will be possible only when P1 is greater than P2. P1 is greater than P2. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? So which is the correct answer over here? The correct answer is B. P1 should be greater than P2, because if E cell is positive, delta G will be negative, and the reaction has to be what? Spontaneous. All clear? All clear, guys? Come on, because delta G and E naught cell are related this way. Come on, let's go ahead. Well done. Your answer is absolutely correct, Ananya. These 2 likes are for you, dear. Yes, guys. Now the next question again, guys. PTH2, then pH1 means this is all about H plus ion concentration. Here pH2 H plus ion concentration is given, very, very clear. You'll have to calculate the H plus ion concentration, and then the cell reaction for the given cell is then what is to be done. First of all, with this formula, calculate the thoda sa lamba question, of course. Okay, first of all, H plus ion concentration calculate karo. Then calculate E cell value, and from that delta G minus NFE cell. Is that clear? Using this formula, tell the value of what? Delta G. If it is negative, it will be spontaneous. If it is positive, it will be non-spontaneous. If it is zero, it will be equilibrium. Let us solve this, guys. Let me change the color of the pen. Have a look at the screen, and by the time, if you want, you can solve it too. You can solve an answer in the chat box. Is that clear? Let us see this, guys. In this case pH is 1. Can you tell me how this H plus ion related to pH? H plus is equal to 10 raised to the power minus pH, guys. Done. So in this case, activity 1 is how much? Activity 1, that is concentration of hydrogen ion in anodic compartment. All clear? So that is how much? 10 raised to the power minus 1. Then a2 has to be 10 raised to the power minus 2. So you got the value of a1 and a2. Just put this value in the formula. Okay guys, remember here pressure is 1 atm 1 atm, guys. P1 and P2 are equal, so pressure wala formula will not be applied over here. Is that clear? Is that clear? Come on, if you have solved the question, do reply in the chat box. Okay, guys. So let us apply the formula. Guys, the formula has to be E cell minus 0.059 upon 2 for hydrogen and 2 plus. Yes, it has to be 2. Then, guys, it will be what? Log a1 that is 10 ki power minus 1 upon a2 that is 10 ki power minus 2. So it has to be how much, guys? Upon 2 log this 10 raised to the power minus 1 upon 10 raised to the power minus 2 will be how much? 10. And log 10 is how much? 1. So this value will be how much? This value will be what? This value is going to be negative. Calculate करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. But फिर भी if you are asked the value, for that I'm doing this. Come on, guys, this will be the value of E cell. But what is important over here? E cell value is coming out to be negative. If E cell is coming out to be negative, guys, delta G has to be positive. And if delta G is positive, means what? Means what? It is a non-spontaneous reaction. All clear? So the correct answer is B. I'm repeating. The correct answer is B. So it was thoda sa tough question, I know, but if you will practice such question, more practice, more is easiness. Yes, less difficulty. Come on, you got me correct. All those who are watching, do like the video. If you have not liked the video so far, well done. I'm getting one answer, two answers in the chat box correctly. Ananya and Arpita, well done. You guys are rocking. Well done. All those who are watching, if you have not liked the video so far, do like the video. Is that clear, guys? So for hydrogen concentration cell, two formula should be used, but which formula to be used depends on the value of pressure or the value of H plus ion concentration. Guys, if P1 and P2 are equal, then this formula will be applied. Which one? When P1 and P2 are equal, we are going to calculate E cell as, yes, minus 0.59 upon n log A1 upon A2. And if A1 and A2 are equal, if A1 and A2 are equal, E cell to be calculated by the formula log, yes, P log what? What? P2 upon P1. No. Yes. Is that clear? Clear, guys? Is that clear? P2 upon P1? No, it will be P1 upon P2. Remember. Yes, it should be P1 upon P2. All clear, guys? All clear? Aaya samajh mein? Are you getting this? All those who are watching, if you have not liked the video so far, do like the video. If you have not shared the video so far, do share the video. All clear, guys? So be ready for the next type of question. Next type of question, guys. The EMF of a concentration cell consisting of two zinc electrodes. And repeating, EMF of let me change the color of the pen. Guys, have a look at the question. By the time, if you want, you can solve the question too. The EMF of a concentration cell consisting of two zinc electrode. One is dipped into M by 4. M by 4 solution of zinc sulfate, and the other one is dipping into M by 16 solution of zinc salt at 25 degrees centigrade. Come on guys, if the cell to be spontaneous, cell reaction to be spontaneous, A1 has to be less than A2. Out of the two, which is lesser? M by 16. So this has to be A1 and M by 4 is more. So this has to be A2. All clear guys? All clear? This is how you have to start thinking for the question the moment you read the question. This is how you should think for the question. All clear guys? Are you getting it? All clear? Come on. Use this formula. E cell is equal to, because activities are there, okay guys, minus 0.059 upon n in case of zinc has to be what? It is to be 2. It is very very clear from zinc it has to be 2. In case of Ag it was 1. All clear? Log A1 upon A2. Now you know the formula, you know the values, just put the values over there. So this E cell will be minus 0.059 upon 2 log A1 is how much? M upon 16 divided by A2. A2 is how much? M upon 4. So it will go this way, isn't it? Got cancelled 4 upon, yes, 4 fours are 16. So you are going to get the value as, let me erase this first. How much the value? This will be 0.0295. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Into log 0.25. Guys, log 0.25 value will be given. Ananya Datta has answered. No, beta. Think a bit. Think a bit. Just a sec, just a sec. Let me take you to the same slide where we were. Yes, Ananya Datta, please relook your answer. No worries, beta, galtiyan hongi. Log 0.25, guys, the value of log 0.25 will be given in the paper. Don't worry. Log 0.25, how much the value it is? Guys, it is 0.602 minus 0.602. How much the log 0.25 is? Minus 0.602. Just put that value over here. Simply. All clear? All clear. Now multiply this. No doubt minus into minus has to be plus. Has to be plus. Is that clear? The value will come around 0, 1, just a sec, 0.0178, yes, volt. Unit of E cell will be volt. So the correct answer over here is what? The correct answer is C. All clear guys? All clear? So I tried to cover all four type of questions which have been asked so far on the topic concentration cell, or questions will, whatever question are going to be asked over it will be of this type only. So if you practice all these four questions thoroughly, completely, trust me, you will able to solve all the questions. All different data will be differing. Okay, cell will be taken different. If you have practice, if you are going to practice all these four questions properly, trust me, you are going to solve all those questions which are going to be asked to you on concentration cell. On concentration cell, trust me guys, we have discussed all type of possible questions which can be asked over concentration cell. Okay guys, okay, so thank you guys for watching. All the very best, all the very best guys. And if you have not liked the video so far, do like the video. And if you have not subscribed the channel, let's start NEET Eugene English so far, do subscribe the channel and do press the bell icon in order to have further notification. One more thing, yes, take the subscription, applying my referral code, you will get some benefit, additional benefit, not only the discount but additional benefit as well. Guys, thank you guys, thank you once again for watching. Do like the video if you have not done so. And one more thing guys, one more thing, all the very best to you guys. Just work hard in a smarter way. Thank you for watching.